Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to share a Google Sheets file. First, open the Google Sheet you want to share. At the upper right corner, click the Share button. A pop-up window will appear. By default, a sheet is restricted to the owner. At the Add People, Group, and Calendar Events field, enter the email address of the account you want to share with. After you type, the profile will appear below the text field. Click this and the dialog box will show what access you will give the account. By default, it will be set at Editor. To change this, click the drop-down with the editor text and you will see three choices. Viewer can only view, commenter can comment, and editor can edit. Let us select Viewer. You can add other email accounts in the email field. In the message field at the bottom part of the box, you can add the message or not if you want to notify people. But if you don't want to notify them, click the checkbox for Notify People to uncheck it. Let's check this Notify box and press Send. It will load for a while, then show a text saying the access is updated. If you want the shareable link instead, click the Share button again. By default, a sheet is restricted to the owner. If you want the file to be viewable to anyone with a link, click the word Restricted under General Access, then click Anyone with a link from the options that appear. Then, set the role to Viewer, Commenter, or Editor using the drop-down at the right part of the option. Then click Copy Link. The link is now in your clipboard and you can paste this in whatever platform you want. Click the blue Done button. So, that is how you share a Google Sheets file. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.